From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Monday, May 17th, and what a Monday it is. In fact, we're going to call this fear is back in the market Monday, because the markets are down hard, and they're down for a lot of reasons. While Greece got its package from the Eurozone, you know, the stimulus package, the big $1 trillion package, there's suspect throughout some of those European nations of whether or not Greece is going to be able to pay back that debt. Some even feel that Greece should just default on it. Furthermore, now Greece is on the tape here today saying that they may go after the U.S. or at least investigate if some of these losses that they occurred came from the United States through its subprime, you know, losses that we've seen over the last couple of years. You know what? The whole globe is going to go through this, and they are going through it now. It was the United States that first got it, and then now it's creeping into Europe, and we've seemingly come out of it. But you know what? That doesn't mean that our markets can't go down while their markets go down. Plain and simple, they're very connected. The currencies are connected, and as the markets go down, none of this is good. You know, it brings us right back to where we were about a year ago, and like we said, fear is back in the marketplace. Right now, what we're looking at is the S&P closed up toward the 1135 level, and as we were talking, the top notch last week was nailing this thing upside down. We pointed out that on that big down Thursday, when the S&P sold off 70 handles in an hour, that Friday the S&P opened up at 1107. And then that night, going into Sunday night, it opened up 18 handles higher at the 1125 level, and then on Tuesday we were up 49 handles. So, you know, the market had a really good bounce, but now it's starting to feel the effects of what's going on around the world. Crude oil is down almost $17 from its high 2 weeks ago. Now we should be seeing some of that at the gas pumps right now, but still Chicago gas at the pump is still around $2.75 to $3. Back to the markets here. You know, they don't look good. They just don't. We've had a very, very big run here. The markets have taken good news and taken bad news and turned it into good for a long time. That's over with. This back and fill stuff that we've been talking about that's helped create the upside, we're almost sure that that's almost out too. Now the current price action looks like selling rallies. That's where the market goes down, it finds a level, it short covers, it goes up a little bit, and then it sells off. Now this morning what we're seeing is the S&P got up to a high of 1140. So when it did that, it looked like the markets were okay. Mutual Fund Monday, which I'm looking at my stat right now, since September 9th, we've only had 5 down Mondays out of the last 36. This is a big stat, but you know what? One Monday ago, we were up 15 and a half handles. The other Monday, we're up 49 and a half handles, and this stat looks very, very tired today. It does. According to the Trader's Almanac, this Monday in particular has been up 19 out of the last 21, but we're not getting that either. Now, the euro currency is back down in the 120, trading back in the 122 handle. Crude oil is down $2.30, and the S&Ps currently are down 1760, trading right at the 1118 level. Now, oh my God. Now the low of the day here is 1113 even. We took out that, remember on Friday, we said that the 1125 level was key. Well, then we made that low at 1124, and then we rallied up to 1135 close. Well, that's all gone now. We've wiped out the 24 level, 24-25 level. We wiped out the 20 even level, and in fact, this desk put out that there was a ton of sell stops going through that level, and they went right down to its price. Now the S&P is short covered a little bit here. We've rallied off this 1113 low. I'm sorry, there's a lot of noise going on over here in the options. But you know what the thing is? The markets don't look good. For a Monday like this, these are generally days that are up, and we're seeing a big reversal of many of the trends and many of the things that we follow off this desk. As far as volumes are concerned, we had about 360,000 minis come in, and we've got about 1.9 million minis traded so far. That's pretty good for this time of the day, but it's far off that Thursday, Friday pace where we saw 6 million and 5 million minis accordingly. You know, as far as the rest of the day is concerned, we don't really know. The next level on the downside is what we've been talking about, what Top Step's been talking about, is the 1107 level. We start getting under 1110. There's just an avalanche of sell stops that go down to 1103, and that's what we think will happen. Get under this low, get under 1110. You are going to see a market down through that 1107 low from last Friday. We'll be back tomorrow with another update.